Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in Letsatsi Finance from the website. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Letsatsi Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now you will need your username and a password to log in, so type in your username. Now type in your password. Now click on this box to ensure that you are not a robot. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on create an account to create a new account. And if you have forgot your login details, you can click here and reset it. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Letsatsi Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.